Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to turn on music haptics in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now click on accessibility and then scroll down, and here you can see the option music haptics. Click on music haptics and now you can see the option music haptics. Turn this button on and here you can play sample and stop sample, and after turning this button on, go back to your home screen and scroll down to control center and press and hold on screen, and here you can search music haptics, then click on it and it will be add on your control center, and here you can turn on or turn off music haptics. So this is the way to turn on or turn off music haptics in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.